Assalamu alaikum Nazreen, your host and friend Jamal Khwaja, again with a new episode of Let's Talk Real Estate. First and most important, you know what? I'm glad to tell you guys that the interest rates were going up, but again, it's back. It's again coming back. I'm happy, glad, and it's a sign that the economy is doing well. I know COVID is going away. We are opening again, especially in California. I think now the restaurants also have started opening the dining halls. I'm happy. I can eat more. And again, I think in next few months or few weeks, in fact, we would see things again coming back to normal as we used to be prior to COVID. And I'm hopeful that our economy will recover very fast. Our businesses will start flourishing again. The people who don't have job will get the jobs back. So I'm happy and praying to God that everything should go normal as soon as possible. Today I have a lot of questions, and most of the questions were towards loans. People want to know more about not the full docs loan, but the alternate docs loan. We call them QM, non-qualifying loans, and it's just the alternate way of qualifying people for buying a home. So today I'm going to talk more about it. Most of the questions were pertaining towards that side, so I just picked up 3-4 programs, which is not your regular loans, just a little alternate way of getting yourself qualified for buying a better and a bigger home. So the number one program right now, which is doing very good, and especially for the people who are self-employed, it's called bank statement program. So now what bank statement program is, basically you prove your bank statement between 12 months to 24 months, showing that you have constant deposits coming on. And the lender we work with will take that as an income. And the way it will work is that if the deposits are to your personal account, it will give you 100% of credit. Say your personal account got some money, $10,000 for the entire month, you will be qualifying on a basis of that you have a $10,000 income, as long it's average for minimum 12 months. So just remember that. And sometimes they might ask you for more than 12 months. Typically 12 months will work. But if your deposits are coming to your business account, they will give you a credit of 50% of that. So in your business account, if you show there are deposit of $10,000, they'll give you $5,000 as your personal income and qualify you accordingly. So it's a great program. And the way it works is that you can be as low as 660 FICO. So just remember, but if the FICO is better, you get a better interest rate, but they will work as low as 660 mid FICO of yours, and it will qualify you to anywhere between 75% to 80%. Means you can either be able to buy a house with 20% down, or maybe the most 25% down. And interest rates are also very close to the regular interest rate. So it's a great program. If you need to get more detail about bank statement program, call me, hit me on email, text. I'll be able to qualify you immediately. I will be needing 12 to 24 months of your personal and business bank statement. So hope this explains the whole program to you. But please remember this, that the most important part is must buy your primary residence right now. The other program I have is another great program, and this program is for the friends or the colleagues or the customers who wants to do fix and flip. So let me explain you here that you buy a house which needs some repairs, you fix them and you can sell them for a profit. We have a very good program. I like this program. Of course, the most important thing is that your credit score needs to be 680 minimum. Again, 680 minimum. and we don't need any income documentation from you. The only thing we will be requesting would be bank statement where the down payment needs to be seasoned. So remember, no income documentation, but again on the other side it has to be non-owner occupied. You cannot occupy this property. It's an investment loan, so it will be more for fixing and flipping. These loans typically you get it for a year to maximum 2 years, and these are all interest only payment. So payment is also very reasonable. So if you need more details about fix and flip, call me. I'll give you more detail, but this is still a good time to buy a house, add square footage to it, and sell it and make some profit. So for this fix and flip, let me know if you guys need any more details. Call me for it. The other program I have is a jumbo program, and as you know, the prices in California has really gone up. So our conventional limits are 822,000, but if you want to buy a house up till 1.5 million, again I'm repeating, if you want to buy a house for 1.5 million, we have a very unique product. Credit score minimum 680, but 680 is a little soft credit. For these kind of loans, especially jumbo loans, you want your credit to be at least 700 plus, ideally 740. So your FICO score anywhere between 680 to 740. We can do 10% down payment. So just imagine that you want to buy a house for 1.5 million. We'll be able to get you 1.5 million house with as low as 10% down. And the way it works is that for your 90%, we will do 80-10. So 80% will be 822,000, which you will get a conforming interest rates on it. And 10% will be again something like prime plus 1.5 or 2%. Again, the rates on jumbos are still going to be somewhere in low threes, maybe 3.125, maybe 3.25. So for those who are thinking of buying home, which is above million four and under million 1.5, this is a great product for them. So let me know if you need more detail about it. I'll be more than happy to qualify you on this. And last program I want to discuss is, because especially a lot of questions came from the people who are self-employed, or they are doing their own businesses. So they wanted to know more about that. What is their, to qualify them? What is the easiest way for them with going with minimum down payment? So that's the reason why I have come up with these programs. I have another program which is just 1 year of your tax returns. If you have 1 year of your tax return with your profit and loss account for self-employment, we can do very good program with you. We have as low as FICO as 680, but of course you want to be in a better FICO, and we can go LTVs anywhere between 75 to 80 again on these as well. So these are the great programs for, especially for people who want to flip the home, people who wants to buy a home and they are self-employed and they don't get W-2 income. There's still good opportunities are out there and very great interest rate. So if you want to do anything to these lines, call me. I'll be able to qualify you. I'll be able to send you some listings. You are more than welcome to go to jfkrealty.com. Look at the listings there. You want specially somebody to send you listings of particular needs like a bedroom downstairs, a bigger lot, swimming pool, whatever you need. Hit me up with an email. Tell me what you are looking for. I'll be more than happy to assist you. The other part I want to discuss today is inventory. But again, inventory is short. There is limitation of inventory, and we still do not have open house. So we don't have open house. So we need to see the property via 360 videos or video entire, like, you get very fancy videos and it explains pretty much about the entire house. And same time, you will be able to maybe view the house, but be prepared. I just don't want you to go to see the house unprepared. If you can see the pictures, videos, virtual tours, you will be able to make your decision much faster and easier. And most important, before you go out to see any of these properties, you need to get pre-qualified. You need to know what kind of interest rate you should expect, what will be your mortgage payment, all that good stuff. So with that, I have to stop my program here, limitation of time, but thank you very much for watching. Let's Talk Real Estate with Jamal. So for the another episode, tune in, subscribe me, and keep on watching Let's Talk Real Estate.